A safe REN. A cinematic scientific coming cotton linen resources enter evaluation laboratory designed to assess material suitability for security paper manufacturing. As the fibers enter the solution chambers, their natural structures begin to soften and separate, initiating the molecular transformation into purified cellulose.
The birth of engineered monetary pulp. This is the first stage where purified cellulose takes the form required for future security. The engineered monetary pulp leaves the molecular stage, advancing rapidly toward final security paper formation. In the wet formation stage, water drains away as cellulose fibers establish. Powerful suction modules extract moisture from the substrate. As water content decreases, the cellulose fibers draw closer together. The watermark embedding stage begins. Specialized engineering surfaces alter the paper density, creating invisible security structures within the material itself. The watermark structure becomes visible through our inspection at the microscopic scale.
The sequence documents the rigorous quality control required to ensure that every future United States $100 note contains a precisely engineered watermark identity.
What gives printed paper real economic value?
From raw material to a highly engineered anti-counterfeit platform, the substrate undergoes final environmental checks before AI inspection. Precision alignment systems ensure the microscopic absorption of the ink as the portrait of Benjamin Franklin begins to emerge.
As the spectral scanners activate, controlled wavelengths analyze the optical structures. A cinematic transformation as final intaglio operations enhance the physical character of the $100 bill, creating textures that contribute to authentication and durability. Laser-guided precision cutting systems separate the sheets into individual notes, followed by immediate quality verification. From the Federal Reserve, these notes flow into commercial financial network and reaching consumers.